In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background color to notes in Microsoft OneNote. This simple customization can make your notes more visually appealing, easier to read, and better organized, especially when you're working with different topics or sections. To get started, open Microsoft OneNote and navigate to the page where you want to apply a background color. Once your page is fully loaded, take a moment to review your content so you can decide how the color will enhance your layout without making it distracting. Next, go to the View tab at the top of the screen. This section contains options that control how your notebook looks and feels. Within this tab, look for the Page Color option. Click on it to reveal a selection of colors that you can apply to your page. As you hover over the available colors, you'll notice that the page preview updates instantly. This allows you to quickly see how each color will look with your existing notes. Choose a color that improves readability while still maintaining a clean and professional appearance. Lighter shades are often a good choice because they provide contrast without overpowering your text. Once you select a color, it will be applied immediately to the entire page. This change helps create a clear visual separation between different pages or sections in your notebook. It can also make it easier to focus on specific content, especially if you use different colors for different types of notes. If you want to enhance your organization further, consider combining background colors with other formatting tools. For example, you can use headings, spacing, and highlights to create a consistent structure throughout your notes. Keeping your formatting consistent will make your notebook easier to navigate over time. If you decide to change the color later, simply return to the Page Color option and select a different shade or revert to the default. This flexibility allows you to adjust your notes as your preferences or needs evolve. Adding a background color is a small change, but it can significantly improve the overall look and usability of your notes. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.